Yay! Okay. Woo. Hello, amiibos and amigals. Welcome back to my channel. I know that I know that it's been a while since I've uploaded a video, only because I was on a trip and we could not post anything. Well, when I say we, Jay and I, we couldn't post anything because you had to pay for Wi-Fi, and I didn't feel like paying for Wi-Fi, but it was the greatest release of social media that I've ever felt. I felt like I didn't have to post, I felt like I didn't have to update as much, and I really did enjoy the cruise, because Jay and I went on a cruise for the very first time. I loved it, and that vlog will be up this week as well, but the reason why I wanted to do an unboxing video is because while I was gone, the mailman was very kind enough to send me all the packages. So today we are going to do a massive unboxing video, and it is crazy how many things I have to unbox. Mind you, I am sick, so my voice will sound a lot different than it usually does, so I do apologize. But let's get this unboxing started. I have a ton of things to unbox. One of them is this one, and this is from Nintendo, which will be last. And it's only because Nintendo tends to send really cool things, and I want to save the best for last. So again, that will be last, but we will start off from the top to the bottom, and let's get started. A quick shout out to a really cool company, Modified Decals, and it is really cool because my sister, who is visiting, I'm actually like taking care of her dog, which he's actually on my bed right now just chilling, so he's hearing me talk and he's probably like, what is this human doing? Modified Decals, which is really cool, and they had sent me a nice awesome sticker, and shout out to my sister Vanessa for getting me the hookup. This is really cool, so I'll have all the information down below in the description, but the fact that they had sent me this is really cool. It is the freaking Squirtle Squad, guys. Hello. I love this. So I cannot wait to get my hands on the Squirtle amiibo, because the first thing I'm going to do is the Squirtle Squad, because I actually love Squirtle. He is one of my favorite Pokemon. This is Jason's all-time favorite Pokemon. So yes, thank you again to Modified Decals. Their information is down below in the description. Let's move on to the next thing. I'm not sure what this is. It could have been something that I ordered online. Squishy. Oh, okay. I will be doing a video talking about the whole 𝘔𝘰𝘯𝘢𝘭 amiibo, and it is really cool. I think it's gonna be an insightful video for you guys, and this kind of is part of it. So I will leave the tweet over here, and Reggie decided to share one of the most loving gifts that he got before he retired and before he left on his last day at Nintendo, and it happened to be an amiibo that was given to him that I made for someone, but he passed it on to him. I'll have a whole video talking about it. Reggie tweeted out the gift that he had gotten, and he was talking about how all he needs is a Miyamoto figurine or custom amiibo to complete the whole series. So I ordered some amiibos for more customizations, and I got this guy, I got the swordsman, and I got the brawler. And I have a lot more amiibos coming in to customize. It's a ton, but if you ever wanted your own custom amiibo, it'll be down below in the description. patreon.com/MissGandaKris. It is, wow, I can't talk when I'm sick. It is going to be the last tier, including other tiers and rewards that you can get on my Patreon. And check that out down below in the description. I, again, offer a lot of rewards, such as Nintendo DIYs, Nerd DIYs, and custom amiibo. So check it out down below, and these ones will be customized very soon. So make sure you follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook for all the updates, because I post a lot of my custom amiibo on those. This is a big package, And this came all the way from China. I don't know what this is. Where's my scissors? Hello, excuse me. So, I'm gonna open this bag. I'm not exactly sure what it is actually, but we will see. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. Oh, okay, this is awesome. I'm dying. Okay, so I have recently partnered with Rolife, and they have sent me such a lovely package, guys. Check that out. It's another DIY kit, and I'll be doing something really special with these kits, and I'll be showing that on my Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. I don't want to say too much because it really is like a project that I've been wanting to do for a while. I just haven't had the time. And this is cool because this is the Teddy DIY house, and it is one of their latest dioramas, and this is so cute. So I cannot wait to actually build this and then show you guys what my special project is with this. So this is so cool. Here is a close-up of what the house is going to look like. So I cannot wait to build it and show you guys. But they have a lot of other projects on their website. So I'll include all their links down below in the description. And they have amazing things that you can build and make, and it really is like DIY. It's so crazy. But yes, check them out. I'll have all their links down below in the description. Thank you so much, Rolife, again for sending me this amazing package. I cannot wait to build this amongst other projects. So thank you again. 2 more boxes left. Is that upside down? No. Okay. So, you guys know from the last unboxing video, Jay and I have partnered up with Loot Crate, and you get 10% off of the code down below in the description. Make sure you check out the link. I love this company. It's so crazy because when they first started, Jay and I actually had bought a subscription, and then we no longer were subscribed because then we moved and we never really changed it. Let me know if you want me to unbox these boxes with samurai swords next time. Who knows? I have 2 samurai swords and they're pretty cool. One is like traditional and then one is like Rurouni Kenshin, reverse blade. So yeah, let me know in the comments below. Okay, so I just opened it. Okay, the cool thing about Loot Crate boxes is that you could turn the box into something, and usually Jason handles that part because he loves like random crafts. But I don't know if I'll build it because we have so many boxes to go through. So let's see what's inside this Loot Crate for this month. I don't know what to get first. I'm looking at Captain Marvel because I actually really love the movie, but I want to kind of save that for last. So instead we're going to go for the t-shirt. So let's see what this t-shirt, reload letter, I don't know. I think it's The Walking Dead because of the baseball bats for Negan, but let me know if you guys know what this is. But no, I love oversized t-shirts. If you guys ever see me walking around in real life, you guys will see how bummy I look because it's so comfortable and I love it. Well, anyways, yeah, so I'm not sure what this is. Let me know, Century Fox. I don't know. I don't know what this is, but it looks really cute, and I'm always down for a large t-shirt. Guys, I just saw it. There's a pin in here. Duh, you guys know how much I love pins. I love pins. Love them. I'm gonna open this. It looks like there's like green fingers or green hands. Is it a zombie? Who knows? Alien. Oh, okay. Let me know if you guys have ever watched the movie Alien. It is such an old movie. This is the things that like grab onto their faces. And I think they plant an egg or they come out of the I don't know. You have to watch the movie. I don't want to give any spoilers. But it is the 40th anniversary for Alien. And it is such a good movie because the main leading actor is a female. And back then, there weren't a lot of female leading roles. But this is cool. I like it. I can use this to dab my face whenever I'm working out or exercising. Really cute. Thank you so much, 𝘓𝘵𝘚. This is awesome. Okay, so 40th anniversary. Who knew? So speaking of pins, this is cute. Oh, okay. So I love pins. Such a cute pin. I love pins, especially pins that are like metal and stuff, and like they're brass or like that kind of like rustic look. That's what I really like when it comes to pins. So I love this. If ever you guys want to send a care package in, I do have my Amazon wish list down below in the description. If you do happen to get it, I will open it up in the next unboxing video. There's some random stuff in there because it's kind of stuff that I like too, so it's like not all nerdy, but it kind of is. I don't know, you should just check it out. It's weird. I went crazy on Amazon. But yes, if you do happen to get something off of my wish list, I will open it up in the next unboxing video. And if it's a pin, thank you. We're gonna keep going. Mission log. Lost in space. I don't know what this is, sadly. But it's cool because it's like a booklet. So if you ever need to be organized, that is really cute. And it's portable too because it's so small. It's not like a giant notebook, and I have giant journal notebooks and I don't use them because they're so big. So this is actually really cute. I don't know where this is from. It says Lost in Space. I'm assuming it's like a TV show or something. Let me know if you guys know what this is. So March 2019, this is the Cosmic box. And that's what I like about Loot Crate too, is that they have a lot of themes. And really, if you don't like a particular theme, you can wait and then subscribe to the next box, or you can find a different themed box, such as gaming. So check out the options down below in the description, lootcrate.com. There is also a code to save you 10% off on your next subscription. So check that out down below in the description. Oh my gosh, they got a poster. But yes, overall I love the movie. I did watch Endgame the same day as Game of Thrones, and I do not advise that at all. It was like all the emotions. It was so terrible, up and down, like it was a roller coaster. I just want to breathe. Can I just breathe, please? Okay, so the last thing in this Loot Crate is Captain Marvel 3D comic stand, which we got the Hulk last time, and I thought that was really cute. And I like this one a little bit more because it's Captain Marvel. Keep in mind, guys, that my favorite superhero is actually Shazam. And I watched Shazam with Jason and I loved it. I loved it. Kudos to DC for putting out a really good movie. And I loved it. Let me know what your favorite superhero is down below in the description. I'm just gonna take this out for you guys. Ooh. Oh, that's pretty. Ooh, that's really pretty. So it's a 3D comic book stand. What I would like to do is repaint it. Maybe make the colors a lot more vibrant, or maybe make it look more realistic. So maybe that might be like another project, who knows. But overall, I think this is really cute. Not bad, not bad. Okay, moving on. Thank you again to Loot Crate for sending this surprise box. Super excited. Again, guys, there is a very special code down below in the description, and you just click the link, use the code, and you can get 10% off. I do appreciate it. Thank you so much, Loot Crate, and let's move on. So the last box is from Nintendo. I love the team at Nintendo. They work so hard every single year for all the ambassadors. You can already tell that the family at Nintendo, they really do care about each other and their ambassadors. So thank you so much to Nintendo for sending me another box, especially coming from a vacation and then having to open boxes now. Like, it's really cool. So this is a very special gift that they had sent a couple of days ago. So let's open it. Okay. Ooh. So I see red. Oh! Oh, okay. I see what it is. Oh, this is so cute. And they made this. This is so adorable. Okay, so this is Box Boy. Cute, cute, yes. This is Box Girl. Oh, so I can't wait. I see some other things that I don't want to show you guys because there is a DLC code for me, and they gave me the game for free. So that is awesome. Thank you so much, Nintendo, for giving me Box Boy and Box Girl. Jay and I will definitely be playing it and streaming for you guys. Another Nintendo video coming very soon. This game looks so cute. And I love two-player games because ever since we got Cuphead, I've been dying for another two-player game that Jay and I can play together. So check out Box Boy and Box Girl down below in the description. I will have a link, and it is a very cute game. Let me know if you plan on getting this game, or let me know what your favorite two-player game is. Thank you so much again for everyone, Rolife, Lootcrate, Nintendo, for sending in a lot of goodies. And I love you guys so much, and thank you to you guys for spending your time here on my channel. I do appreciate you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to check out all the links down below in the description, and if you do subscribe, I will definitely see you next time, and hopefully I won't be sick.